I'm trying to steal a few fans with this one. I think I've gotten it to about the point where Jordan would if he was to chug it.
Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we gon' let it go. Yeah, I think that we gon' let it go.
Ho, 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 ho. Welcome back to Snapshot. Merry Christmas to you guys. Have you guys been naughty or nice? Or maybe both. Are you a ho, ho, ho? Today we're going to find out with a naughty or nice cocktail.
We've got 2 ounces of whiskey right into our shaker with ice. 1 ounce of orange juice. 1 ounce of ginger syrup. 2 ounces of cranberry juice. Pour that right into our rocks glass over a rock.
That's pretty.
And we'll top it with just a little bit of club soda. Give it a quick stir.
I like this. It tastes like a, you know those like 0-calorie sparkling drinks that you're drinking to be healthy?
The club soda goes a long way to dilute it. There's a lot of stuff going on in here, but it doesn't feel overpowering or strong. I'm impressed.
It's like each combination is not way too much. I thought there was going to be too much club soda. I'll tell you this, when it got around to the middle part, that was my favorite part of the entire drink. I loved the garnish that I had when I actually slurped one into my mouth.
Slurp.
Sounds really bad, but it was quite enjoyable. I actually give that a 7. 7 flat.
This cocktail was actually, surprisingly, it wasn't naughty or nice. It was naughty and nice, which is exactly how I like it. I'm impressed by that drink. I don't like whiskey drinks. I think for that reason, I'm going to be just above the 7. I don't know if this is a drink that I would turn to, but it's smooth. It's pretty easy to drink.
Can't taste the alcohol either.
You really can't like it, but it's not overpoweringly sweet. You would think maybe the orange juice, the cranberry juice, but they all blended together in a way that kind of canceled each other out. Did you all try this cocktail at home? Let us know in the comments what you did and if you changed it. But at a minimum, what do we ask you to do?
Well, if you're naughty, I'd say please comment and like and subscribe.
Merry Christmas, happy holidays to you all. Comment what you want to see in the new year. See y'all next time. I'm trying to steal a few fans with this one. I think I've gotten it to about the point where Jordan would if he was to chug it. Down to 1.
Whoa. Whoa. I'll do it with you.
Look at that. Look at that. With that sip right there in the bottom.
A little sip for Jordan.
That's textbook. If you like that, hashtag Frontier in the comments.
Let's smell this.
Do the Jordan. I'm going to try to bite a garnish first. Don't do that.
Everybody knows the deal. One and done. Takes a small sip.
Gotta do it 90. Hammer it. I'm going to take 19 free chug sips.
Everybody knows the rule to get one.
Everybody knows you got to motorboat the drink first a few times.
So the viewers might know this, but Jordan's actually Jewish. And that's why he's not here today.
Ferb, it's a classic Israeli awesome.
Are you a ho 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 this Christmas? Have you been a ho 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 this Christmas? Ho 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 ho! Are you a ho ho ho? If so, call 1-800-VOODOO. Now here's the thing.